yung mag-aanan.
There's Carmen, Carla, and Malu. Welcome to Batangas.
Ibaan.
This is Ibaan.
Follow
Okay. This is Ibaan. And this is Derek Hector's ba? No. Mango plantation. There is the owner of the mango plantation. You know, and this is Lipa. So Ibaan and Derek Iledan's mango plantation.
Hacienda. Iledan.
Oh, see? Faster.
Sige.
Parang lang
Faster mo dyan. Sige. Sige lang, faster. Huwag kang harap. Talikod lang. Sige, takbo. Habang nag-faster. Oh, huwag kang harap dyan. Talikod. Dapat nakatalikod ka. Yan. Oh, ganyan. Steady kang ganyan, oh.
Yan. Talikod ka lang.
Oh, ha? Sige, lakad. Habang atras ka. Lakad.
Oh, that's Derek Iledan's bahay kubo.
Yan o, mga flowers,
Wow.
oh. Bagay na sa'yo.
And that is the pansabong. Oh, ang dami nilang pansabong. Alam mo kasi yung tatay ni Onin. Kasi ko, picture tayo dyan. Diyos ko, may pakamihir pa to. Yung tatay niya is, yung retired colonel.
Ay, Sus Mariosep. Kaya malaki.
Ganun.
Ganito kayo kami to.
Parang siya din na din nila.
Lupain.
Oh, that's Barbie. Alam mo pati ko Barbie dati pinagsalusan mo. Partner ni Barbie. Oh, aha. And there are birds. What are these birds?
Bato-bato.
Ha?
Bato-bato.
Bato-bato. Okay. So these are bato-bato. Alright. This is Derek's hacienda. Just stay there. Alright. This is Derek.
Enough.